So the CPI data came out today and it was lower than everybody expected to be. The crypto market has responded very nice to it.
Decentralized.
Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this Bitcoin chart. I want to talk about the ETH chart, the DXY chart. Also want to talk to you about the CPI data and my thoughts on that, because some things that we talked about in previous videos are looking to play out very interesting, and got some nice things coming for the channel and for the rest of the Everything Currency ecosystem. If you stick around to the end of the video, if you're excited about that, go ahead and like. But let's just get right into the data real quick. So looking at Bitcoin, the average right now is $24,100. So let's take a look at my Bitcoin chart right here on TradingView, and we can see that Bitcoin is at a level on Bitstamp at $23,766. This is the 4-hour chart. We're kind of zoomed in here on Bitcoin because as soon as that data got released, this data right here that says inflation rates in July, inflation moderates as in July as the CPI rises at less than expected 8.5%. So we had a 40-year high last month, which was 9.1%, and before that we had an 8.7% increase. So everybody was expecting that this thing was going to be, not everybody because I wasn't, but everybody was expecting that, hey, this is going to keep rising and all this stuff going on. But we were able to actually see gas prices kind of calming down a little bit still. You know, I know grocery store prices are still crazy where I'm at, but gas prices started dying down a little bit. So I expected, you know, this data is going to come in a little bit less than it has been in the previous month or the previous month before that. And when that happens, it might excite the markets for a short-term run or something like that. As soon as we, like, pretty much what happened with the inflation rate, when everybody was expecting that they were going to be super hawkish, and they kept it a little bit hawkish, and people responded, the price responded nicely to that as well. So very interesting things going on with the CPI data. Actually, this ain't really interesting. It's like whatever, it came in lower, people thought whatever, and then the price reacted good to it. But right here on the 4-hour chart, we got some pretty interesting things going on, which is this cup and handle. You might have seen it as soon as I came to this chart right here. If this breaks out, if it has to pass 24k 241. Keep in mind that the global average right now is a little bit higher than this Bitstamp chart, but if it breaks out of this, we could see some levels upwards of, you know, 25, 26 maybe could be a target for Bitcoin if we break out right here. So going and zooming out a little bit to the daily chart, we can see that we're still kind of in this rising wedge right here, which if it does break out of this, that will be pretty damn bullish, extremely bullish. But these patterns right here usually end up bearish, so we'll see how long we go in this trend, and then we'll see if we can get over this 24,247 level, because we got wicked there 1, 2, 3, and then we got rejected there, like, you know, 7 times already for 7 days on Bitcoin. So that's the main level that we need to try to get over right now. On this weekly though, we can see that we had some nice things happen. We got above the 200 moving average, we retested it and we stayed above it, and then I said if we stay above it and retested bullish right here, which it is a red candle, but it stayed above the 200 EMA. And I said if it stays above that, then we might have a nice bullish week that's playing out right now. But we are getting rejected by this 13 weekly moving average. Getting above this 13 weekly moving average would be a pretty nice thing to see. And the next level would be this 21 week moving average, which is an extremely important level to a lot of traders, which right now is at $28,626. So getting above that level would be pretty nice to see for Bitcoin right there. Looking at Ethereum has been leading Bitcoin a little bit, and Ethereum popped out and jumped up a little bit more than Bitcoin today, but broke out of its cup and handle pattern right here and started to move its way up. So we'll see if Ethereum starts heading to its 200 daily moving average right there. Bitcoin getting to its 200-day moving average would be 32K. So we'll see if Ethereum gets there first, and we'll see what's going on with all of that. So if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, or if you're new to trading, I do have a website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com, where you can go ahead and get yourself some trading courses on there. And it does come with a trading group that I'm creating, and I'm going to be helping people out with their charts and everything like that. So if you're new to charting and new to trading and you need help with that, this course does not include anything about looking into coins and gems and stuff like that. I do have another course where I talk more about how I look at low cap gems and how I invest in coins, also on the website, also available in a nice NFT form. And it also has a group that I'm going to create along with it, where we're going to be searching for gems, trading together. So let's get this money together, feed the fam, let's get it. So data looking pretty good as of right now. Looking at this total too, let me take out this line that I drew in this previous video, and you can see it actually kind of played out pretty nice. It bounced right here, and we'll see if we can continue this chart on the way up. That's all I wanted to say about that. But the DXY right here actually dumped, so a lot of people were excited about this. If we look at the daily chart, we can see it got below its 13 moving average. The 13 and the 34 had a bearish cross right there, and the 200 moving average is down here at 100. So dropping from 105 to 100 would be extremely bullish for the altcoins. It would be extremely bullish for the SPX and the stock markets and stuff like that. Looking at the DJI, yeah, extremely bullish things going on right now for the market. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind that there could be some type of bull trap in here. Like I said, this pattern is overall a kind of a bearish pattern unless we start breaking out above this top trend line right here, which wouldn't be good if we break down from this pattern. It can send us all the way down, to 20K for Bitcoin. So we want to tread lightly right here. Right now, we can see that there's some very interesting things going on these charts. Not to get too excited quite yet, but it is time to start hunting. It is time to start looking into getting your bags and what is going to be your next bag. But I don't feel like we're out completely out of the woods yet. Maybe something like a final dump or something like that might be in the cards, but as of right now, the charts are looking nice and the data is looking like it wants to play out in a bullish way. So we'll see how that goes. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed. Don't forget to check out the website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Got some cool stuff on there. Got even a merch shop called Hodl Shop on there where you can get a hat like this one. RIP to crypto roots. Think positive and positive things will happen. Till next time, peace.